In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to Fulton Bank online banking. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in fultonbank.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Fulton Bank. So if you want to log into the online banking, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select a service. Simply click on this field. Now over here under the section for personal, at first you'll be able to find this option for online banking. What you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to log into your online banking account. All you have to do is enter your username and password over here. So click on the field of username and enter the username. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your information, simply click on this option recover. After you do that, you'll be able to recover your forgotten username and password. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option secure login that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Fulton Bank online banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.